being, kind of ahead of the pack as far as technology. And the only way you do that is to listen to the customers or the clients. So here's a really good opportunity to spend some quality time with engineers that are on like the cutting edge of where catheter manufacturing is going. So finding out what their problems are today allows us to design better equipment and select better materials to help them push the frontier.
You need so many different components to be able to build a catheter, and you really need experts and best in class in each one of those divisions or components. So
when you go out to suppliers, a lot of the time it's straight blank, no, we cannot do this, here's the options we can do. I think medical component specialists definitely seem to have that relationship with customers that, yeah, we'll try our best for you. They don't close the door on an option straight away. They'll look into it, they'll trial it, and they'll see what the best outcome they can get. And I think that's very positive for companies, seeing what they can do and hearing the guys talking there. It's like, give us the hardest challenge you can and we'll find a way to do it.
Yeah, we've used the medical MCS before in the past, and the pitch is fairly impressive. The quality and the stuff that they've shown us inside is quite good. The quality of the materials have been pretty good, yeah. Can't really argue with that.
Before it would have just been all on a screen. Now there's a personal face to it, and they're scientists just like me that they want to look for the next step. What's the next thing we can improve on? So it's really nice to see, rather than just someone who's trying to sell you something.
We would definitely have applications that we could use their help with. We'd have equipment manufacturers in medical devices, and what happens then is you validate that process with that design. So essentially, very difficult to change that without building product and testing it and proving equivalence. And these are things, when things go commercial, people don't tend to do. So that then means that any new equipment, vendor, albeit having possibly even better solutions at lower costs and lower time to deliver, they definitely will struggle to break into legacy stuff. But like, say, R&D, we'd be embracing companies like this, because if they get in at the early stages and they deliver what we need, then they get essentially baked into the manufacturing process, and then that relationship grows and flourishes over the years. So